Hello, I'm Pedro Macedo, and I'm a climate action researcher working within the University of Lisbon and the Drift Institute, supporting the transition movement. My focus is on the kind of governance that is needed to make sustainability transitions happen. In our socio-institutional systems, the edge of chaos is an exceptional place, full of opportunities and risks. It is a place of innovation, self-organization, and adaptive behavior. Climate change, biodiversity loss, resources depletion, inequality, and of course the related pandemic, all these are demanding a vast and immediate transformation in our regimes. A myriad of community-led initiatives is already bringing the needed transformative social innovation. Climate movements are demanding a real change, and many governments are declaring climate emergency and improving democracy with citizens' assemblies and other experiments. However, an excess of control manifested in path dependencies and institutional lock-ins prevent meaningful change, leading us to the brink of collapse. So we ask how we can scale and catalyze local transformative efforts to face the government challenge, making sustainability transitions happen in this context of rapid change. Previous research already tells us that bridging initiatives are crucial in order to facilitate realignment and articulation of new directions of societal change. So, to answer our question, we have chosen a strategy of critical participatory action research facilitating spaces where social learning can emerge. First, we started the Municipalities in Transition project, exploring collaborations between community-led initiatives and local governments. We then complemented it with a collective inquiry, the Dive Deep and Dream Big, bridging with a diversity of partners, including practitioners, activists, networkers, and knowledge brokers. We co-designed a system for supporting reflexive governance at local level. Agreed collects the existing transformative efforts in the community and captures their governance imprint, mapping actors and actions involved. Evaluation cycles indicate if these initiatives are educated and caring enough, if they are inclusive, if they deliver tangible results that support resilience, adaptation, and cultural replication. New activities can be designed to make use of leveraged cells, expanding the reach and deepness of impact and reinforcing interconnectedness. A database of tools is also provided using pattern language. This system is a meta-collaboration, since local organizations are expected to use it together in a sociocratic context, expanding and reorganizing the existing collaborative efforts, actively sharing in a community of practice. An instrument to balance power, promote inclusion, and navigate the flux of transformation. But intensifying collaboration is not enough. To create a nurturing soil for these efforts, first we need to support changemakers, allowing them to explore their potential fully. We need to welcome the growing trauma and grief in our society, dealing with ethical and psychological challenges, exploring power patterns away from domination. We then should be able to ask what-if questions, exercising imagination. We need to experiment with this governance strategy, exploring the edge of chaos, combining the right amount of creativity and structure, chaos and order. Through translocal diffusion, we might be able to renew our relations, our communities, our planet.